So guys, here we are going to discuss the topic is book smart or street smart. You guys will have 10 minutes to speak on the topic. So you may start now. Anybody please start.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. Today I am sitting here to discuss about the topic on book smart and the street smart. Myself, Priya Sen. I am here from the Bharatpur. In my opinion, book is more smart than the street smart because the which knowledge which is written in a books, it is also based on the street or experience based. So this is most smart than the street smart. Many people think that read book smart very successful people and increase gain knowledge reading book smarts.
Good morning, everyone. I am Vikas. I am from Saravas. The street is smart more than books because we are complete any type of work with the experience and easily.
And the book also good for a child because the child is not roaming here and there to get experience, and but the children also get the knowledge from the books, so it is beneficial for the children.
In my views, everything has its pros and cons, and in today's time we can see people are more addicted to mobiles and technology, so they are not studying from books, but books should be smarter than like technology and everything.
But on the social media there is a book is also available, so it is good for taking knowledge on by the book or by a social media or a phone.
But from books we can remember till last. But from mobile and technology, if we use continuously, we forget everything what we have studied.
In my point of view, my name is Aditya Chaudhary. And my favorite book smart is very important because many people get a job through by money, but he have not experience. After some time, he disposed in training or duty time.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. My name is Gillespie. I am in the favor of Booksmart because if a person is writing a book, he takes 40 years of his experience. He writes that book, and you take that book to read 3 days. So you have gone 40 years. You have taken 40 years of experience from that book. So it is benefits for you that you have taken that experience. So Booksmart is good.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. I am Mansi Gautam, and my opinion on this topic: book is give a good knowledge and information. Book use studying in school and colleges.
And my point of view, books are very important in important in life. That we are reading in books, so don't forget to longer time.
This time we can see books are not that much books are not that much valuable because people use them in a garbage or many things, and they are not studying from them. They use just for 3 or 4 weeks and they throw it in a garbage. So books should be respected.
I am agree with the point of Vikas because when we get knowledge by the books, it by the human tendency we forward in a 6 months. But by take a knowledge about the street or a experience, it is more rememberable thing.
Morning all of you, my name is Sandeep Singh Yadav. Basically I am from Haryana, but nowadays I am living in Yanga. I have done 10th and 12th from CBSE board. And the point of view on this topic is that people are having knowledge. It is good, but in the earlier time or the earlier years, we have seen that many mechanics or any type of automobile industries, the people are working, they are having experience. But nowadays we have seen that the person are doing joining many colleges, many degrees they are having, but they are not capable as comparison to the mechanics of older times. They just have any problem, they go to the older mechanic, so they trust them. So I think that experience matter than the knowledge of books.
But in my opinion, books give the knowledge to the person, but the experience gives the perfection in their work.
Yeah. So I am the same thing.
Books smart improve our communication, but street experience not improve our communication.
Communication are skills only used for aviation or in this type of industries. Experience matters in many fields, but the communication matter in such field like aviation or teaching many areas. So how can you see that?
In foreign countries also we are seeing that technology is developing day by day, and students should learn from books because handwriting should be also improved and good. So I think books are better than technology. And
That's my opinion that people are having we have seen that teenagers or the youngsters are having many burdens of books and pressure of many exams. But in the earlier time, we have seen that people are having only one thing. They are having experience, they get a job. But nowadays the competition is high. We need for job we need degrees and many essential things more than experience. In nowadays experience matters, but the knowledge is also matters. We have seen that any IT company or any private hub also, they are just asking for your experience and your degrees also. So the both things are necessary to get a job to make your life successful. As my opinion that everything has pros and cons. We have seen that experience is mattered by the knowledge, and knowledge is also compared. We can't compare knowledge to the experience or the street knowledge also. So both are important. Both have their things like people are having experience, they are not having degrees, so it is useless. When the person is having experience, they are not having degrees. It is this is useless, and the person having experience but not having the degrees, this is also useless. So we need both of things, but experience takes time and knowledge doesn't take time because it gains from anywhere, like books from Google. Nowadays we are having Google or many social sites, but the experience we can't buy it, we can't gain it, we just have time to experience it. So I think the both are we need everything in both of things we need.
And the degrees also shows that the more educated person.
we can take example of one of the profession, that is chartered accountant, CA. They also learn from books, and there is no they don't use anything like from social media or technology, because hard work is everything and it is up to us that what we want.
Books knowledge gives the job, but the perfection in their job it gives by the experience.
So thank you so much for the discussion. So clap for everyone. That's better. Thank you so much.